Hello, welcome my little young learners. Welcome you once again in a new video. Hi, in this video we are going to learn about articles. Articles A and articles A and an are used with the naming words. Means nouns, that is the name of an animal, person, thing or a place. We use a and an when we talk of a singular countable noun. Let us try to understand with the help of some examples. An apple, a tree, a banana. Now kids, we will understand and learn about where to use article A and article an. As you can see here in this picture, the stars are having consonants and the rule is A is used before nouns which begin with consonants. Consonants you can see here now. In the stars there are consonants and the words which begins with consonants take A before them. For example, what is this? This is a rat and the beginning sound of rat is R. R is a consonant, so we use A before rat. A rat. Now, fish. F is the beginning sound of fish and F is a consonant. So we write a fish. This is a girl and the spelling of girl is G-I-R-L, girl, and the beginning sound is G and G is a consonant. So we write a girl. What's next? Now we will learn about the use of article and with the vowels. There are 5 vowels you already know. A, E, I, O, U. So the nouns that begin with vowel sounds take an before them. As you can see here, the pictures, the first one is owl. O-W-L, owl. The beginning sound is O and O is a vowel. So we write an owl. The second one is umbrella. Umbrella, the beginning sound is U and the spelling is U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella, and we write it as an umbrella. And the yummy thing is ice cream. What is the spelling of the ice cream? I-C-E, ice. C-R-E-A-M, cream, ice cream. And I is a vowel, so we write an ice cream. Let's have some more examples for better learning and understanding. These are the pictures of nouns that starts with a consonant sound. A hen. H is a consonant. So we write it as a hen. A tree. T is a consonant. So we write it as a tree. A pen. Why we use A before pen? Because P is a consonant. So according to rule, we write A before the nouns that starts with a consonant. A boy. Now some examples for the nouns that starts with vowel sound. An egg. You can see here the highlighted alphabet is a vowel. E, apple A, octopus O, umbrella U, E, A, O, U. All these are vowels. We have 5 vowels here. Wasn't that easy? I hope you enjoyed learning articles with me. Leave a comment in the comment section if you like the video, and don't forget to like, share and subs. See you again very soon in my new video. Till then, goodbye and take care.